welcome. Who's bike? Who's bike?
I don't know. Ask Dad who's bike. Do you want some ice cream?
What's out there?
What?
What's out there?
Shane, you want ice cream? You like
A
ice cream,
bike.
don't you? Mike, here's
Whose
your
bike is that?
I got
It's,
only
what?
It's mine. My bike.
Wow, that's pretty fancy, Nancy. Let's see. Ooh, Mike, check it out. Hey, you're speeding now. Slow down. Mike,
What?
what's it say on it?
What?
Dirt dog. It's a dirt dog. Yeah, it goes through dirt. It's a mountain bike.
Whoa, this can go up the mountain.
Yeah.
Hey, who said you guys could open those? Go ahead. Hey, who said you guys could open those? Go ahead.
Pack of marbles.
An American Beauty Queen.
Hey, Mom, here's the big one.
It's the plunker.
It's the punker.
Yep.
Plunker. Well, Mike, careful. You'll break them.
Michael, it's the plunker, not the punker. It's the punker. It's the punker.